Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add product in Shopify blog. The first thing you want to do after you have created your blog article, and by the way, to create your blog article, you'll tap on Online Store from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you'll select Blog Post. After selecting Blog Post, you can tap on Add Blog Post in the top right-hand corner. So for example, I have a blog post right here. Now to add product to it, all you'll need to do is select Themes from the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on Customize in line with the theme that you're using. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Home Page. After selecting Home Page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Blog Posts. Then you're going to select Default Blog Posts. And you can see my blog article right here. We're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Section. After selecting Add Section, from there you can tap on Featured Product or you could add a collection. So we're just going to tap on Featured Product for example's sake. After selecting Featured Product, from here you can select the product that you would like to display by tapping on Select Product in the top left-hand corner. And let's say for example this product. Then after you have done that, you can tap on Select in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you have done that, you can see that the product has been displayed right here. You can also choose the size that you would like to be displayed on desktop. You can customize that as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button